Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Tubi streaming app on your Amazon Firestick device. So the Tubi app is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download Tubi streaming app on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here Tubi. When you type TUB, the suggestion below Tubi TV, so scroll down and click on, and here as you can see Tubi free movies and TV app, so click on. Now click on download button. So the Tubi app has been installed on our Amazon Fire Stick device. Now you open Tubi app from here and also from home. So after installing Tubi, then go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here press remote home button for 3 seconds again. Now click on apps, it means application. And here you will find all application that is installed on Amazon Fire Stick device. So if you want to open Tubi application on your Amazon Fire Stick device, then scroll down and you will find Tubi app. So here is the Tubi app. Now click on. So you can use this method to download Tubi app on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.